Hey everyone, welcome back to the original Granite bracket, where today we are looking at the original multi-pack with Schluter Curdy board. These just aren't any boards. They are versatile, durable, and perfect for a whole range of projects. Let's get into it. And there they are. Look at these Schluter Curdy boards. First impressions, as always, super lightweight, durable, bright. You're not going to lose them on the project. Each board measures 48 by 24 by 2. Perfect for a variety of uses. Now, the packs come in two different ways. You can get them in a 4-pack, or you can get them in a 6-pack, depending on how many projects you're doing or how big your project might be. Let's talk details now. They are made from Schluter Curdy board, and this material is known for its water resistance, which makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. You don't have to worry about moisture damage at all with these bad boys. They're also incredibly rigid and durable, yet easy to cut and shape. Whether you're making curbs, panels, walls, or even custom platforms, these boards should be able to handle it all. In past videos, I've shown you how we mark them and cut them, and honestly, it's very, very simple, very, very easy to do. And there you have it, folks, the original multi-pack of Schluter Curdy board, versatile, durable, and ready for just about anything you can dream up. Go ahead and grab a pack today, whether the 4-pack or the 6-pack.